So for number 3, the first of our break them up ones, we've got 1 plus x on the top here. We're going to split that into 1 over the square root of x squared minus 1. Now that's something we know, plus x over the square root of x squared minus 1. And that's something that we're going to figure out. This one here, it just simply, that is the direct off the formula book r cosh version of that. So this one just goes to r cosh x, the inverse. Now this one here, well, I'm going to do a substitution of x squared plus 1. That differentiates to give 2x. It gives me dx is equal to du over 2x. That means this integral that I'm trying to do here is x over u to the power of a half times by du over 2x. The x's cancel, so basically I'm just doing a half the integral of u to the minus half du. Power goes up by 1, divide by the new power, cancelling that half there. So my answer is, from the first part, the r cosh, and from the second part, I've got x squared plus 1 to the power of a half. I'll put the plus c on the end there as well. Now, the hope is that you'd be able to, and I've put a plus 1. That's annoying, isn't it? It doesn't make any difference, does it? Because basically I just should have written minus 1. Look, that's a minus 1 there. So just literally there's a minus 1 there. It's just a copy error that I've spotted when I look back at the question to see if I've done it right. So there's a plus minus error there. The hope is that you'd be able to do that quicker without having to do the substitution. I'm just doing the substitution to show you where it comes from. I'll do b as well. And so b is x minus 3 over the square root of 1 plus x squared. This one is the plus. Maybe that's where I saw the plus earlier. And again, I'm going to break this up. So this time I've got x over the square root of 1 plus x squared, and minus 3 over the square root of 1 plus x squared dx. So without going through all that substitution again, you can probably see that this one here is just going to be x squared plus 1 all to the power of a half. And this one here is 3 lots of, now because it's a plus on the bottom here, we've got the r shine version here, haven't we? The r shine of x plus c. And maybe that's how quick we can do them in the future, knowing, having sort of seeing how that comes out quite often there. If you're not sure, there's the substitution again. Sorry about the plus minus error.